So, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you why home gym is a game changer for your consistency. Now if you're watching me, you probably know that I'm in a home gym and this is the best thing that I built. And now you may be wondering, like, how the hell is this best gym? It's like two things and some random dumbbells and some rubbery things and that's it. Well, this is all you need. And in this video I will show you why home gym is good, some things that are not the best, but things that will show you that home gym is actually better. So the first thing is why home gym, to build home gym, and why you should have it in the first place. So I think that home gym is something that will ensure that even if you don't want to go to gym, you can still work out at home. And working out in home maybe feel like it's a boring thing to do, but if you call a friend, he can come here and you can work out together. And now it's 10 times more enjoyable, you have great fun, you're working out good, and you have some mental support which will help you to increase your PRs. But what I want to also tell you is that having home gym has also some negatives, which we're gonna talk about later, but let's also talk another positive. This maybe seems like it's cost a lot more money than you think, but in reality, it's really cheap. For a long term, obviously, if you're playing for a long term, then having home gym will save you a lot of money. Now you might think that, nah, this is not a way that home gym could cost less in the long term than going to the gym. Now in my country, we have around 30 to 40 bucks per month. Now if you're going to add that and you're going to do some simple math, you're gonna know that in some 2-year period you have a lot of money. Okay, I'm not sure of the math, I didn't calculate it before the video, but it's not extreme. But when you're going to, basically what I calculate is that if I'm gonna work out 2 years, it is already cheaper. So if you're gonna just purchase some basic things that I will recommend you in this video, it will save you a lot of time. So the first thing, if you want to have effective gym and gym that can distribute you to gain muscle anywhere on your body, to basically train every exercise almost in a way, is what I would try is to build some cage. This is a base structure. Build some base. Now you can do it by your own or you can buy it online. Just do something that you can do pull-ups, that you can rack the weight basically for your squats, your bench press, your incline bench press, basically everything that you can do with barbell. This is a really important thing because now you can do anything, literally anything, and it's really a good way. Then you're gonna buy, what is this called? Bench. You're gonna buy bench because bench, obviously, preferably it will be adjustable, so you can adjust it for incline bench press, shoulder press, any kind of exercise. The gym, the point of the gym, home gym, is to have everything, like it has to be adjustable. So try to have adjustable bench press, and also what I would do is I would try to buy some weights. Now you might think that these are expensive. Yes, they are, but if you're going to buy some secondhand, they are less cheaper. Also, if you're gonna buy rubber or steel, they're also a little bit cheaper if you find on the internet, some rusty. It doesn't matter, it's just 20 kg. And you don't have to have like pretty gym, it just has to be weight that is exact. So if you have 20 kg, preferably it has to be 20 kg, not like 19 and 18, because it is really too old. It has to be the same, okay? That is the point. And if you have the weights, the barbell, of course, I forget to mention, barbell, your bench, your cage, this is pretty solid base. And that this could cost you around $500, literally, with this. If you made this homemade, the bar could cost you around 100 to 200, also bench 100 to 200, and then some weights, and that's all you need. If you build that cage, it is around 500. And the last important part, well, maybe last, but it's to have something like this. Basically, adjustable cable machine that you can do everything, right? You can do tricep pushdowns, biceps on it, preacher curls like you see here, preacher curls. Then you can also do pec deck, but it's not ideal because it's a machine. Like, it cost me like $500, which is pretty good, I would say. And obviously you can do for your quads, leg extensions, and if you want to extend, you can do for your abs, something like that. And also if you want to do reverse Nordic for your hamstring girls, you can also do that. And then you have some boxing bag. And the last thing here is the dumbbells. The dumbbells, this is the important part because dumbbells are expensive. And what I would do if I would buy another gym, maybe, is to buy adjustable dumbbells. Because adjustable dumbbells, although they are a lot more expensive, but if you buy them one time, they're adjustable. So you can adjust them, and it's way convenient as to buy a lot of these dumbbells, because these dumbbells are hella expensive. You can also buy like adjustable that you will, let me show you, that you will just put there weights and like do that, but I would mean adjustable like in seconds you can do. I don't know how it's called, but basically this is what I would do. And this, with all of this could cost you 1,200, literally like that, 1,500 maximum. But if you're going to do some things homemade, it could cost you around 1,000. And in the long term, it's really cheap. It will save you a lot. Now, with that said, home gym has a little bit some disadvantage, okay? And I'm not gonna hide them, I'm gonna show them. So the last negative, just to say, because I have low battery, I have to record this, is to parents go through it, they will shout at you that you play loud music, strangers may be going through because it is garage. So if you notice, this is a little bit negative. Also, you don't have enough equipment, so you cannot train everything, literally everything. You have to go to the gym if you want to train some specifics, but you can literally train everything. So, to not further waste your time, these are some negatives, but I would highly suggest you to buy home gym because, like I said, it's really affordable and it will save you time. And if you're an inconsistent person, this will help you to create consistency because you can literally go through your home and go here in the gym. Like, if you want to go to the real gym, it might be a little bit further away from you and you have to dress up, you have to drink the pump, you have to bring some things with you, and it will take you a lot of time to get there and get back. This will save you a lot of time, and also it will help you to stay consistent because you have here. So, With that said, having your own gym is great. It has some minuses like everything, but it's questions about money. You can buy every accessory if you have money, but we want to be on a budget, so I understand, but you can train literally everything. So if you like this video, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and see you in next one.